100% we can convert almost any machine to card system. There's few models out there that maybe they can't integrate fully into. So that's more, go and inventory the machines. But the vast majority of them, yes, we can make it go from coin to card. There is still a resistance out there. There's still a lot of customers that like coin. When I say customers, laundromat owners as well as end users, moving away from 100% coin to 100% card can cause some conflict, and it's hard for maybe customers to accept. There are options out there that allow you to do coin and card. There's drawbacks on that as well, because you have to do quarter increments. You can't do penny, 6-7 cents increases. You got to make a larger jump. As in today's world, I'm a big believer that if a customer is willing to do business with you, and they're offering you a payment, that you figure out how to accept that payment. And so being able to do credit cards, app pay, cash, I think is the right decision today. But we've got plenty of customers that are, again, 100% card, and it works great. And over time, that customer acceptance, it goes up, but there is some training that has to happen. If we all could be Visa or MasterCard, because the amount of money they make and the percentages they charge is real. And as you get higher and higher acceptance and more of your volume is coming through, and you're having to pay these credit card fees. The advantage of doing a card-only store is that you can do 2-3 cent increments, 3% price increase, which you can cover your credit card fees, so that yes, it will get passed on to the consumer, versus if you just did a cash / coin only in a laundromat. Credit card fees, there's hosting fees. There are definitely costs associated with that. Unfortunately, as we get more and more digital in our world, it's kind of what we're all getting driven to, regardless of whether we want to go or not. Banks don't like to see quarters come in. If you're going to bring them in, they want to see them rolled and counted and et cetera. So there's, on the back end operation, if you are quarter only, a lot of it gets recycled because it goes into your change machines and then cash goes out. But there's times you're still going to be taking buckets of quarters in, and they don't want to see you come in with 3 buckets of quarters and hand it to the tellers. There is no perfect solution. There's good and bad with both. And I think if you're really looking at it, sitting down with, someone like our team that can walk you through, the details and really explain it to you and what the options are. And we don't have control over it. We're just telling you, but at least we'll give you the truth as to what you're going to be facing.